Welcome back to Creative Digital Designs, and in this next video I'm going to be going over how to find hidden or secret fonts that go along with fall or the season that is coming up in the last fourth quarter, so that you can go ahead and use this to make digital products to sell on Etsy, to sell on your website, or to have social media graphics that you create with the fall theme, to be able to make sales flyers and all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into this video. If you like this type of content or like my videos, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos you want me to create next. I really appreciate that. Um, and so I'm going to go through it. As you can see here, we already have this fall font right here. So this is one of the options that you can go ahead and use in your graphics. And I'm going to show you how you can find this. So we're going to go over to Elements. And what you're going to want to do is type in fall font, and it pops right up under the graphics. So this is the one that I just used. And what you can do is, if you decide that you like this one and you want to use all of these letters, you're going to go over here and click View Collection, and then you have the set right here. And so this is how you're going to be able to find the whole set. So you can go ahead and save this somewhere else, or so that if you want to use it for another design, you can already have the set there. And then you just go through and see that they have all the letters, and they have numbers, and they have the punctuation as well. So you can use this in your designs, and you can change the colors as well if you want to go ahead and do that. It already has the fall theme, but you can go ahead and select a different orange or select a different color to change how it looks, as you can see here. And so we're going to go back over to Elements, and we're going to go ahead and hit fall font once again, and we can look at the other options. So this is another option, and as you can see, you can change the letters as well. You're going to do the same thing, View Collection, and then you're going to copy the set number if you want to be able to save it for later. And you can go ahead and just see all of the fall fonts that they have here, and you can save all of the ones that you're going to go ahead and use in future designs for this season. As we know, quarter four is one of the biggest spending seasons for people, and so creating digital products for this season, it helps to generate a lot of income if you are wanting to generate income online or sell digital products. So this is a different way to be able to stand out through fonts, even if it's from if you're creating Etsy listings, you want to create these different fonts in your listings to have cool fonts in there. And you can go through, and like I said, there's tons of different fall fonts in here. And all you have to do is select View Collection, and you'll see the entire collection, and you can save it. And then you can obviously go through and make words and see how it looks, to see if you like it. We go through, we have this one over here, View Collection. This set includes all of these. So these must be made by the same person. And it is important to note that for these specific fonts, it is for Canva Pro accounts. But if you are wanting to make money online selling digital products, I do recommend that you get a Canva Pro account. It is worth it. I have been using Canva since 2019. I pay, I believe, $12.99 a month. And if you are generating income, or if you plan to generate income online, I believe that you have to invest in yourself. So I do think that if you can set some money aside, $12.99 isn't too bad for all of these features that you're able to unlock. So we have this. And you can kind of see how it looks when the words are together, to see if you like how it looks. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be creating a series for fonts, so please subscribe so you don't miss a video. I'm also going to be doing a series for creating t-shirt designs, as well as using AI using Canva. So I'm going to be creating a few series. So to make sure that you don't miss a video, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell and enjoy your day. I really hope that you enjoy my videos. I have a playlist of Canva tutorials of over 20 videos. So if you are a beginner, you can start there and be able to start your journey of making money online using Canva. Have a great day. Bye bye.